Hello everyone, myself CA Daya Bansal. Today I am telling you about how to surrender your PAN. For surrendering the PAN, first of all you know the word of your PAN. So from the income tax website, know your jurisdiction. From there you can see your exact ward number where to submit. And the documents we require for the PAN surrender is original PAN card. In the case of individual, Aadhaar card also. And if partnership firm, then resolution deed. And in any case of AOP, then also resolution deed we required. Trust in also we required the resolution. In each and every case, कोई भी आपका business है, if you close it, then closing documents with original PAN card, and last income tax return file copy you require to attach with 500 stamp paper of indemnity bond. In that bond you specify that your PAN number is deactivated from all the services, no outstanding from the under any act, under the income tax, GST or any act, and no outstanding, no proceeding against this PAN is pending. Attach your last income tax return filing copy and one application format in which you mention this I this want to surrender my PAN and enclosed here with these documents. All these you require to submit for surrendering your PAN. Sometimes it's happened that you have more than one PAN card. So in that case, first check the word is same for both the PAN or different. If it is different, then first transfer the word of that PAN which you want to surrender in your current PAN. After transferring of that PAN, you can surrender your PAN card. Otherwise, your round to department will increase, because first you will go to the transfer, then you will go for the surrender. So it's better before going to the department you search all these things and keep all the application with you. So in one round you can close your PAN card with easily. Thank you for watching. Thank you.